Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Lovable. I have a prompt already and I signed in. So this is the page when you sign in. Just enter the prompt. It could be much simpler than that, just build a party planner app. But I thought I'd just give it more direction that I want to input the type of party. And then I want a button that when I click, it should suggest ideas for the party's theme, to-do checklist, decoration ideas, and shopping starter list. And some like design ideas. All I have to do is just to click on this button and Lovable starts working. Whilst it's working, you can look at this introduction slideshow it has for you. But it shows that it's thinking, and while it's thinking, oh, it didn't take long. It took only 19 seconds. The good thing, and the best thing is that it automatically suggests that you allow the cloud functionality in Lovable. So I'm going to allow this. So just click the button and it does whatever it needs to do. So this is the cloud here. And it's when it's enabled, you can see all the functionalities that are there, a database, for example. This is the preview. And if you want to look at the code, this is where the codes will be, the files, once it's finished setting it up. Then there are some other things you can look at. Analytics, so this is when you have a live app. Design, you can modify the design. Security, speed, there's a lot of things, but it's always changing. So this is at the time of making this video. This is what Lovable is like, but it might be completely different next week. And now AI is enabled. It's part of the when I allowed cloud. You see, so now it's all done. There's the database. It will create the tables here. Then users, if you want to create a user account. Storage is for files. Hash function is just for the database. It's like the logic. AI is still being enabled. The secrets, this is where it stores if there's any connections to other tools. We call them like API connections. Then you can add it here. But for this, we won't need that. And then there's the logs for troubleshooting. But you really don't need anything like this for the first app. The whole point of this video is just to show you how easy it is to get started. Okay, so we have AI, we have the backend, and now it's creating the app. You can look, if you click on show all, you can see all the files it's creating. Let me see if I can see it in the files. They're not here yet, but they will show up here once we have the files done. And another very good thing that Lovable added is if you click on these three dots, it shows you how many credits you used. So this is half a credit. If you're on a free plan, you start with 30 free credits each month, but you can only use up to 5 every day. And then the following day, you get another 5 until you get up to 30. Then you have to wait for the next month. Okay, still creating. It's created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 files, 8 for now. So once we have the visual of the app, then we can look at how it looks in tablet, phone, and desktop. So that's another cool thing. Okay, it's still working. When you just want to ask questions or run some ideas by Lovable, it's best to click on this chat functionality because then all you get is like just chatting with Lovable and all you get taken off your credits is just 1 credit. So it's a good way to save with credits. Oh, there it is. Wow. So that's done. And this one used 2.7. So let's see if it's working. Okay, I want kids' birthday party. You can even add the custom type if it's not in here in the suggested one. I'll just say kids' birthday party, generate ideas. Party ideas generated, let's celebrate. Wow, look at this. They're all here. Okay, so we can have a superhero training academy. To-do checklist, send out invitation, get supplies. There's some examples for that. Order the cake. And this is some activities. Party playlist for music. Then decoration ideas. Cool. Villain's lair. Headquarters banner. Shopping starter list. Capes and masks. Beanbags. Pizza. This is really cool. And if you don't like it, you click on this and it's generating it again. So this is using Lovable's built-in AI. I think at the moment it's Gemini it's using. All right, there's a different Enchanted Forest Adventure. This is really cool. So if you want to change anything in it, like what shall we do? Change party. Let's change this one. You click on Visual Edit, and you see it's turned into like a canvas, and now you can make changes. So planner, let's say party planner helper. There you go. Just do this, and this doesn't cost any credits for you. And then you can change maybe the background of this. You can change the background color. This muted effects. Oh, and it's good because you can see it real time what it means. So if I do this full, no, I don't like that. The colors inherit. Let's look at this. Opacity. Oh, okay. So you can see how see-through it could be. 60%. Oh, you can have shadow. There's a shadow on the side now. And then just save the changes. And these don't cost any credit. Yeah, cool. Oh, actually, I don't like the changes. So I decide this one is a visual edit. That's the changes I made. This one was the previous version. So I am going to say that, yeah, this is the previous version. I like this. I want to restore. I revert my changes because I didn't like it. And now it's going to go back to the previous version. Yeah, all my ugly changes are gone. All right, let's say I'm happy with this. So I'm going to publish it. If I leave this empty, then it will come up with some random names, but I can say party planner helper. Anyone can access. And now publish. And when it's done, when I published it, everyone can access this on the URL it gives me on the link. Yay! That's it. Easy peasy. Thank you for watching.